In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Jira subtask. If you're managing projects using Jira, you likely come across various tasks and subtasks that need organization, updates, and sometimes deletion. Perhaps you're cleaning up your backlogs, or maybe a subtask is no longer relevant to your current workflow. Whatever the reason, knowing how to efficiently delete a subtask is a handy skill to have. We start by opening up your Jira application. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Your Work section. This area will be familiar if you have been working within Jira for a while. It's where you can view and manage the tasks and projects assigned to you or that you're involved in. Head over to this section because it serves as the gateway to accessing all your Jira projects. After entering your work, the next step is to select the project that contains the subtask you need to delete. This brings us into the project's main workspace, bringing your recent activity to the forefront, such as tasks and updates associated with this particular project. This part is crucial because projects can often house numerous tasks and subtasks, and we need to zero in on the one at hand. Within the project, look for the Issues option in the menu. Issues in Jira can be anything from tasks, bugs, to user stories, and they often encompass multiple subtasks. Clicking on Issues reveals a list or board view, depending on your preference, of all the issues currently catalogued under your project. This view is pivotal because it allows you to sort and easily locate your specific task or subtask. Now, to efficiently narrow down your search, you'll want to identify the specific issue that hosts the subtask you intend to remove. If you have numerous issues listed, you may find it helpful to use the search or filter features within Jira to streamline this process. Once you've found the relevant issue, click to open its details. This gives you a more focused view of the task and its associated subtasks. You should see all related subtasks neatly listed as part of the parent issue. Once you've identified the subtask, click on it to open its details. Subtasks in Jira are essentially smaller tasks embedded within a larger task or issue. Clicking on a subtask takes you from a broader project view into a more detailed screen specific to that subtask, showing all its information like comments, attachments, and work logs. This is where you can manage all aspects of that subtask, including deletion. Moving forward, direct your attention to the upper right hand corner of the subtask detail screen. Here you'll find an icon represented by 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options button. This is a commonplace in most applications where additional settings or options are tucked away, keeping your workspace uncluttered. Clicking those 3 dots opens up a drop-down menu presenting several actions you can take regarding the subtask. Among these options you will see Delete. Selecting this option will trigger a request to confirm your action. This is an essential safety check to ensure important data isn't lost unintentionally. Confirming your choice will permanently remove the subtask from your issue. Be mindful that once a subtask is deleted, it cannot be retrieved easily, so it's best practice to double check whether this subtask is indeed unnecessary before proceeding. And there you have it. Through these straightforward steps, you'll have successfully deleted a subtask in Jira. This process might seem like a routine action, but maintaining organized and up-to-date tasks is vital for effective project management and productivity within Jira. Remember, deleting tasks should be done with caution and typically as part of regular task curation and management. Regularly reviewing and updating your tasks helps in project clarity and keeps your dashboard clean. So whether you're streamlining your workflow or cleaning up your Jira workspace, these steps will guide you in effectively managing your subtasks. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, and that you feel more equipped to tackle your Jira management tasks with confidence. If you have any queries or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project managing.